Hello everyone, this is Adi from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Pet Rescue Saga one game to your Samsung Galaxy Note 2. For this, you need to unlock the phone. After that, you have to hit apps. At apps, you have to search one app. It's called Google Play, Play Store or Android Market. Hit that one. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Android Market, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please do that and come back here again. After that, hit Games. At Games, you have so many options: home, top paid, top free. Better you touch a searching button and type the name of the game you want to install. In my case, is Pet Rescue Saga. As you see, Pet Rescue Saga, hit this one and hit install. Accept term and condition. It's downloading now. It's 47.33 megabytes. And it's done. It's giving me two options. One is open, another is install. I'm not going to open from here. I will hit home or menu button. After that, I will hit apps. At apps, I will drag. And as you see, Pet Rescue Saga, hit this one. It's loading now. Hit for play. And as you see, you have to save to pet. Somehow skip this process, skip, and you have to play. So you know how to play. This is all, my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Iris Communication, www.iriscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.